Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So I am going to continue from the previous video. So we have done the validation for all the elements or input fields except the email. So we are going to validate the email now. So I am going to write the email validation here. If txt email dot length is greater than 1, that means the user has given more than 1 characters in the email field, right? So what is the valid email format? So valid email format is some, let's say, some characters abc at the rate of domain name .com. Okay, so this is the valid email format. So this is a comment in JavaScript. You will use double slash for a comment. Now for this, I am going to create atpos, so that is at the rate position. So how to find the position of at the rate is txt email dot index of. So this is a function which is available on a string. So the index I want to find is for the at the rate symbol. Similarly, find the position for dot. So for dot I am writing dot pos dot position. So txt dot email dot index of. So I want index of the character dot. Okay. So you got the position of at the rate and you got the position of dot. So if you see the format of email, dot should come after at the rate, right? So how to check? If atpos equal to -1 or dot pos equal to -1. So what is this condition checking is whether the user has entered both at the rate and dot in the email. So if at the rate and dot is missing, this condition will become true. That means the email is not in the correct format, right? So alert email not in correct format. Okay, and return false. And we have to check one more condition, which is else if the position of at the rate is greater than dot position. That means at the rate is coming after dot. So actually dot should come after at the rate. So if it is in the reverse, then also you can print email not in correct format and return false. Okay, so this is the email validation. Not very complex, just very simple. Find the position of at the rate and find the position of dot and check whether they are both of them are available and check whether they are in the correct position or not. Okay, now let's check the output. So refresh. So let's give some first name, last name, password 6 characters, and email. Let me give fdfdf and click submit. Now it's saying email not in correct format. Now let me give abc dot let's say gmail.com. Okay, let me remove this dot and write abcgmail.com at the rate like this and click submit. Now also it is not in correct format. Now let's give the correct format abc at the rate of gmail.com. Yes, email is validated. Now it is asking mobile number. Okay, mobile number, submit. Okay, validation is success, right? So this is how you perform form validation or data validation using JavaScript. Okay, if you see, I am not validating this address, right? Even if I didn't enter any address, it is taking it. So you can try it on yourself. So you have seen already so many examples how to do it. So you try to validate the address. Address field should not be empty. It should contain some text. Okay. So that's it for the second program. Thank you.